Okay, medyo luto-luto na ito. Lalagay ko na naman ang gravy para lumapot. Itong gravy na to, the gravy I have, this is already mixed. Tiga garlic, tiga bira-bira everything there. All the taste, very tasty. But I make it myself. And there is sugar and bira-bira everything. So this is the gravy on my sweet and sour fish. Ayan yung fish. Itong isda, oh. Here's the fish. Here's the isda. So, but make more vinegar. Bit more water. So you don't want too sweet. And you don't want too sour either. So ito yung isda. It's they call it salmon, the pink salmon. So just gonna try. Just gonna try if it's any the sauce okay. It's a bit chili. Beautiful. Maybe I put a bit more sugar. And then I'm gonna put the fish here. That's the sauce. So this is the sauce on the isda. Then I'm just gonna put it here. Gotta make sure, see if it's okay. Yes, perfect. Now I can put here the fish, and that's what they call sweet and sour fish. Right, and it's got the juice there, and we'll soak it just ta-da, and ready to go. Thank you for watching, guys.